Introducing the 2024 Volvo V60 T6 Phev Plus Dark AWD 5-door, the ultimate combination of luxury, performance and efficiency. With a sleek grey exterior and a powerful 2-litre engine that runs on petrol, plug-in hybrid electric, this estate vehicle is perfect for any journey. Equipped with a range of comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, the Volvo V60 prioritizes your well-being and convenience on the road. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a vehicle that not only looks stunning, but also performs flawlessly. With a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust that this Volvo V60 is top quality. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie or visit our website for more information on how you can make this exceptional vehicle yours.